Hello and welcome to Test Automation Central. In this video, we're going to discuss about identification of element on hover. For example, in JioMart, we have a test scenario wherein we have to identify whether the menu is been open on hover. Let's say once I click on groceries, this menu should open. Okay. So to locate this element, normally we will click on right click, inspect, then we click on this grocery. But if you see here, once I located the element, we cannot find the list of items which are there in grocery, okay, which is here. Okay, so okay, let's do one thing. We will click here and click inspect. Still we are not able to find. Then we have to hover. We can hover here, but once we come here, the hover is gone. We cannot locate the element. To find or locate elements which only comes on hover, there is a trick. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So what you need to do is just click here on this groceries, and on the right side there is a hover. Once you click on this hover, you can click on this hover. So now we were able to successfully hover here, and now we can easily locate whether the elements are displayed. For example, fruits, dairy and bakery, staple, snacks and branded foods. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching Test Automation Central.